Yut. Sorry for the words. Yut. But yut means in your own time. Yut. In your own time. This is a big stones. So if you're wondering how deep this water goes, I think up to that stains over there. Nadira. But sometimes, pag napunta ako dito, minsan nawawala talaga yan sa picture. So I guess it goes deeper. Hindi naman palagi. May times lang. Okay, let's move on. See, di ba kanina walang tubig dito. Ngayon meron na. So the tide is highing. Ba yun yung Tagalog nun? Tumataas na ang level ng tubig. So the tide is highing. Small fish over and over again. So we are just looking for some possibilities na makakuha tag isda. So, oy kasag, agoy, yung tago. Anong diraman mo sa mga bangag? Okay, proceed. Yung angkol eh. This is siyok. Another one or another kind of sea urchin.